haven't made a video in a while because I've just moved to university in Birmingham. But now I'm here, I decided to make a video, so I'm going to do some painting. So I used Windsor and Newton oil paints, which are pretty good, and linseed oil as a paint thinner. As far as colour palette, I used black and white, obviously, and then cadmium yellow pale hue, viridian hue, Vermillion Hue, and French Ultramarine. And that was basically it for the entire painting. I wanted to sort of capture the effect a big puddle of rain has on concrete. I started with the reflection, which was a weird way to go about it, but I thought that'd probably be the harder bit, and I wanted to get it over with, sort of thing. It's important with this kind of thing to just put the right colours in the right places, and it sounds obvious, but when you paint you sort of try and make the object look like the thing you're painting, when really you just put the colours in the right place and the eye will do the rest. Another good idea is having a clean brush that you can use to just mix the edges of colours together, which you might see me doing here. For the restaurants, I did all the interiors and windows first so that I could go around them and put in sort of window frames and walls and stuff. Which is basically just the idea of moving from the background, painting that first, and then moving forward. Which means that things that are in the front in the reference image are painted in front. And again, coming back to this idea of just putting colour in and letting the eyes do the rest, in the windows I left it really loose, it's literally just blobs of colour. But with this just suggestion of the interior, your brain sort of fills in the gaps. So try not to overcomplicate things, because you can just be lazy and the brain will do the rest. Doing all these lines freehand was pretty brave of me, and I probably should have got a ruler, but rulers don't work very well in wet paint. And here it is. It took about 4 or 5 hours, but I'm happy with it. I'm Ollie, and this video is over.